back up a shame, back up a shame. He's backing up and he's full of shame. Oh well, sucks to be him, he's in the video.
All the easy stuff. They were asking me to try to find where things they had missed. And it was fascinating.
Dive for the right turn.
Do the time where the nation trampled the Jerusalem. So it seems to be like he's allowing for a longer time frame.
Red light run.
There's really like the flip-flop version of it. It was sort of like a little trick. You know, that was that little nod. But you know,
No, stop.
The tiger by the tail. Like, what is this chick gonna do?
There's no left turn into there. No, stop.
Young person to the teacher who has summers off, to the person who cares for the house across the street and wishes it would be better.
Wait, that was red light run. Red light run, red light run. God, you're freaking idiot, stupid. I'm not even gonna make fun of you. You're just dumb.
If you have that full picture of the tools, and you want to do it
Fuck.
yourself, fine. But if you are not,
Red light run, red light run, red, 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 red light run. Yet another red light run with a rebel yell. Red light run, red light run. Nice cut off. Red light run. What the hell are you doing? Really? You letting that guy in? There's only one other car behind you. You could have just, waited for it. Whatever. You get the point. Why am I bitching? Why should I care?
Take advice from anyone, and there's nothing about Donald Trump that is weird at all. But there it is. He's in the inner circle, or has been at least. He was frequently at the White House.
Red light run. Red light. Yeah, red light run.
He will. The South was jerked out of his throat without his volition, and it carried all the old overtones.
Red light run. Why the hell are you driving that ugly thing? It looks hideous. It looks like a DeLorean with a tumor. You look like a big freaking idiot in their tank. Go home and buy a better car.
If there was something about your signal that was different, then I would know somebody created it. Exactly. Okay? So you need something to encrypt it so that it looks like noise.
Extra regret.
Noise decoder on the other side. Look at that. Okay.
Extra regret.
And so when Bill came in, and I, to be honest, I never knew Paul was going to even get an opportunity to coach again.
Extra
He was
dive.
telling me all summer, he goes, I don't have a job, I'm not going anywhere.
Nice cut off. Tops never mops. Look at the floor. Tops never mops. Yeah, I remember those old commercials. That's what we used to sing to make fun of them.
Historically, for example. So, and going up against Vasilevsky, who's another.
Extra regret.
So you have to slay that dragon, and slaying that dragon.
Don't assume the right lane's going to be empty when they let you go. Red light, run.
The cliff stretched away on both sides of him, turned horizontal just by the act of his own movement.
Red light, run.
Both.
I'm going to cut back on singing this song. Too many people are complaining. So, sorry. I already sang it once before today, so blame the complainers, I guess. Yippee-yo, are you going to just sit there? Okay. Oh, now you decide to go. What? You realize that this is dumb, because you realize that this guy is going to have to make a wide right turn, and why are you getting in his way? That's just irritating. Red light, run. You can't win. Red light, run. Really, you're gonna sit in the middle of the intersection like an idiot. Make a right and make a U-turn. That's how it's done. That's how you should do it.
The next day.
No, stop.
I moved closer to him, and Alia noted the slowness of that movement. Yes, the rumors were out that the preacher had arrived.
Nice cutoff.
Displeasure. She bent closer to the Ixians. Your brother. And Idaho hoped he had carried.
No, stop.
Properly.
Look, there's a big white truck coming.
Perfectly reasonable at your age. Just
No trucks in the left lane. No, you cannot be there. And it's for real this time, because we are on I-990 just outside of Canandaigua, Rochester. They're not allowed here. No, you cannot be there. Oh well, sucks to be here in the video now. Oh well. Well, this is the end of the video. Hope you liked it. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos.